I feel like a midget standing here. My name is Tom with Vanguard Motor Sales, and today we're standing in front of a gorgeous 1955 Ford C.O.E. that's been restored, and it's got about 6,000 miles on the restoration. What a sweet car this is. Come on up, let's take a look. We have a lot to say about this one. It's got a 454/78 motor in it. The transmission's a 350 turbo. It's sitting on an 87 GMC 31-ton frame. It's got the 6-speed gear Vender Overdrive. This thing is just unbelievable. Let's take a walk around. Alright, well anyways, this car has an electric brake digital display under the dash, a new Edelbrock 600 carb, use Mobile One all the time. Like I said, it's only got 6,000 miles on the restoration. It runs about 180 to 190 on the freeway and 210 in the city on a warm day. You can actually control the gear Vender Overdrive by the dimmer switch on the floor. It's really cool. And the oil pressure runs around 40 to 50 while you're driving, 25 at idle. And it's unbelievable. Wait till we go for a ride in this one. It's got new flow masters. Fuel tank's about a 33-gallon. Check out the bed. It's just drop dead gorgeous. And we also have the wood sides for it as well. It has the chrome rails on it right now. It's got MagnaFlow exhaust tips on the end. This thing's a hoot. The truck measures about 19 feet long. It's got brand new tires, front disc brakes, power steering, 2 side boxes that lock. The battery's on the passenger side. Beautiful black paint job, beautiful undercarriage, newer rims. It's really got eyeball. It's even got a couple girls on the side of the hood. This is the original metal car. Look at the doors. They're all nice and tight, no rust. Inside is all custom. Odometer gauges, tachometer. It's got the 6-speed gear Vender Overdrive inside. It's just a phenomenal car. It's got a custom headliner, custom seat belts. The heat works, so you got heat. Show up in the show with something different. I forgot to show you guys too. Aubrey, back here underneath this handle right here is a tow hook for a 5th wheel as well. That's a real cool deal. Aubrey, I gotta say, I don't think there was another one of these in our fleet before. 1955 Ford C.O.E. 454. Talk about the thumbs up. Forget about the Chevelles and Camaros. They blew me away on the freeway today in this. Just unbelievable. Look at these people staring at us. What a mean-ass ride this is. Don't forget, call Tom today at 248-974-9513 with any questions. Check out our website at vanguardmotorsales.com. And while you're there, you can check out the undercarriage pictures and also download the 7 deadliest mistakes to purchasing a muscle car online. I've saved people thousands. Don't make the deadly mistakes that others have made. Read my report. Look at this guy shaking his head. I love it. Once again, join us on Facebook as well at facebook.com/Vanguard Motor Sales. You think this truck would be hard to drive, but it is a treat. I mean, I'm just cruising right along and no worries in the world. I feel like I can take on the world in this cab over. But give Tom a call today at 248-974-9513 with any questions. Thank you.